Hume Band 2, Complete Setup, Tips and Troubleshooting Step-by-Step 2026. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Hume Band 2 step-by-step, how to wear and use it correctly, and what to do if you experience pairing, syncing, or battery problems. First, charge your Hume Band before setup. Place it correctly on its charging dock and connect the USB Type-C cable to a power source. Once it has enough power, you're ready to connect it to your phone. Hume's current guidance recommends having at least 20% battery when troubleshooting connection or syncing problems. Next, download the Hume Health app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create a Hume account or sign in to your existing account and make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. Now put your Hume band into pairing mode by pressing and holding its side button. Keep the band close to your smartphone and follow the setup instructions inside the Hume app. For existing users, go to the Me page, find Paired Devices, select Pair Device, and follow the on-screen instructions. One important tip: complete the pairing process from inside the Hume app rather than manually pairing the band through your phone's normal Bluetooth menu. Hume specifically recommends app-based pairing for its band. Once connected, wear the band comfortably but securely enough for the sensors to maintain consistent skin contact. The Hume Band 2 is designed for continuous wellness tracking, including metrics related to heart rate, HRV, sleep, recovery, and other health trends. Recent independent testing also notes the 2 generations longer claimed battery life and new blood pressure trend functionality. Although wearable measurements should be treated as wellness information rather than medical diagnosis. Now let's fix the most common problem: the band won't sync. First, make sure Bluetooth is enabled, the band has sufficient battery, and your phone is reasonably close. Force close the Hume app and reopen it. If that doesn't work, press and hold the band button for around 10 seconds to restart it, then try syncing again. Still having trouble? Open the Hume app, go to Me, then Paired Devices, forget the band, and run the pairing process again. Also check that the Hume app has Bluetooth permissions and that required location services are enabled. Finally, check your App Store for the latest Hume app update. If your battery seems to be draining unusually fast, Hume recommends a battery calibration procedure by leaving the device charging for at least 3 hours and then returning to normal use. Here's a pro tip: don't judge your recovery or wellness trends after wearing the band for only a few hours. Give it consistent wear time so the app can establish your personal baseline and provide more meaningful trends. And remember, the Hume band is a wellness tracker, not a medical device. Don't use its readings as a substitute for professional medical diagnosis or treatment. And that's your complete Hume Band 2 setup and troubleshooting guide. Charge it, pair it through the Hume app, wear it consistently, keep the app updated, and use the troubleshooting sequence if syncing stops working. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which Hume Band 2 feature you want me to cover next.